again, it's Izzy from Tech, and today we are going to discuss tire industry standards.
These standards were created by a collection of stakeholders in the rubber and tire industries to ensure proper and safe repair of tires.
Puncture repairs are limited to the crown or the T-to-T area of the tire. This is 1 inch from the edge of the tread on passenger tires, and for steel-constructed LT tires or larger, 1.5 inches from the edge of the tread. The size of the injury also has limitations. Industry standards state for passenger and fabric body ply LT tires, the maximum injury size is 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter measured after you remove the damage. For steel body ply LT and larger tires, the maximum injury size is 3/8 of an inch or 10 millimeters after damage removal. Some states have started implementing their own laws for the maximum injury sizes, so be sure to check your state laws to stay up to date on tire repair requirements. In order to perform a proper, permanent puncture repair on a tire, there are several steps you must always do. Remove the tire from the rim to perform a proper inspection. Remove all of the damaged material using a carbide cutter. Buff the inner liner to a number 1 or number 2 texture. Fill the injury with a vulcanizing rubber stem or other approved vulcanizing material. Reinforce and seal the injury with a repair unit. There are no tire industry limitations on the number of puncture repairs which can be performed in a standard passenger, LT, or larger tire. The only rules for these are the repairs cannot overlap and the injuries are not on the same body ply. For this reason, on a bias tire, the injuries are limited to 1 per quadrant.
If a tire is a high-performance tire with a speed rating of H or higher, or a run-flat tire, Tech does not recommend you install more than 1 repair on the tire.
When the tire is inspected, there are several conditions deemed by the tire industry guidelines as non-repairable conditions. These are an injury greater than 1/4 inch for passenger tires or 3/8 of an inch for steel body ply truck tires. If a tire has been run flat or run with underinflated conditions, if the tire inner liner separates, if the tire casing separates, if there is excessive tread wear, if the body plies or cables are exposed, if there are deformed beads or exposed fabric or steel, if there is ozone cracking, if there are damage form impacts, and any injury greater than 25 degrees requires a 2-piece repair unit. Thanks for joining us for Tech's Tire Industry Standards course. If you have any questions, contact your Tech distributor or go to techtirerepairs.com. See you next time.